Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it doesn't happen very often that we have good news on Windows 11, and there is some definite good news for all of you out there. Microsoft, Pavan Dovolori, has actually exposed the new guidelines of how the development of Windows 11 is going to go forward this year, and it takes a twist. It focuses on what people want. Pavan Dovolori said that, they've heard all the complaints and all the critiques, and they are looking into making things better. They will be focusing this year on making Windows 11 better experience. In some of the aspects, there will be, of course, the performance side, where a lot of people are talking about how the performance of Windows, is not up to par what it could be. Could be much faster response. So they are going to work on that, especially with File Explorer, for example. And also they will be working on having Windows take less RAM memory. I wouldn't be surprised that some of this has to do with the fact that RAM prices have gone so high that in order to have people have a good experience with maybe PCs that will have less RAM than they should because of the prices, they're improving upon this to make sure Windows works well. And you know what? This will help for everyone. So this is good news. Of course, reliability is the other thing that they're strengthening. One of the examples he gave is how they will improve and make sure that Windows Update is more reliable, a better experience for people, not having to, go into shock or being scared of something because of Windows updates arriving to your PC. And there's a mention of pausing updates so the phrase he used was as long as you want. Although there is a once a month requirement of restarting the PC, so that would be, for a month before they install, I guess. They will increase, of course, compatibility, reliability, making sure that things work better on the different experiences, including login with Windows Hello. And also, they are going to be tweaking the Windows Insider program, and that I'm curious what's going to happen there, because I think the Windows Insider program lost its sense of purpose. It should be, scaled down and brought back to what it was in the beginning. And finally, some of the things that you wanted, a lot of the features people wanted will come back. One example that he gave, even though Microsoft, when Windows 11 actually said that people don't need to have that taskbar move around the screen, well, he did say that soon you will be able to put the taskbar of Windows 11 anywhere you want on the screen. So they'll be focusing on a lot of what the people want. And I think this is good news. Kudos, Microsoft, if you do this. And he says this ain't going to happen in years, even though there's a lot of work to do. He said that within the next month, we'll start having Windows Insider builds that have these new features and that have better performance and that has the taskbar that you can actually move around the screen, a faster File Explorer, more reliable PC. This is going to be interesting to see. I think they're getting serious about the complaints that people have been having. And I think they realize how bad of a work they did in giving, pretty much Windows 11 a bad reputation because of the way that they worked. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.